Welcome to World Review Zones and other videos.
In driving and life, a little preparation goes a long way. Installing a dash cam, which monitors the front of your vehicle in the event of a theft or accident, is an easy and affordable way to protect yourself, your passengers, and your investment if calamity strikes. This year, dash cams are smarter and better connected than ever. Many models offer security and quality of life features that extend beyond mere POV driving footage, offering driver assist features like lane change and forward collision warnings, impact detection, and the ability to sync multiple cameras at once. There's even an option that lets you check a cloud-enabled stream to check what's happening in the car in real time. So whether you're looking to add safety and accountability while your vehicle is in motion, give yourself peace of mind when it's parked, or you simply want a camera to capture your next epic road trip, we've got a dash cam for you. All links to the products mentioned in this video are in the description below, so if you're ready, let's get started. Number 1. ThinkWare F70. ThinkWare is one of the top brands in the dash cam sector, and the F70 is one of its most compact and affordable options to date. This forward-facing camera features a 2.1 megapixel CMOS sensor that records full HD footage at 30 frames per second. The lens is 140 degrees, which isn't the widest we've seen, but is still roughly par for the course in the sub-$100 end of the market. Like most dash cams, there is no battery. Instead, a supercapacitor holds enough charge to ensure footage is saved and the camera switches off correctly when it is unplugged or the car is switched off. Additional features include a parking mode, and there's a port for adding ThinkWare's external GPS antenna. Number 2. 𝐋𝐈𝐍𝐉𝐎. If you're looking for a quick, easy-to-use, and simple dash cam, then the 𝐋𝐈𝐍𝐉EE GPS is a fantastic option. It's super easy and intuitive to set up and works extremely well with the connected smartphone app. The ability to see your full drives and create clips from them within the easy-to-use app is also fantastic and great for quickly finding exactly what you need. There is no built-in screen on the dash cam itself, but because of this, it is small and discreet on your windshield. For those who use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly, however, it's a shame that you can't use them both together. You can still use the camera, but without the added functionality that the phone brings. So for that reason, it's not recommended for that type of user. Number 3. ThinkWare Q1000. We're big fans of the ThinkWare Q series of dash cams, and the recent Q1000 in particular. It's a well-designed dash cam with a premium feel, great video, and a broad set of features. Those who just want a simple dash cam should look elsewhere and save some money. But we think drivers who see value in the Q1000 safety and assistance systems will benefit from spending the extra cash. These include speed cameras, red lights, and lane departure warnings. The software isn't great, but that is broadly par for the dash cam course, and the Q1000 makes up for this shortfall with a neat design and top-notch video quality. It's not 4K, but the 2K video quality is very good anyway. Number 4. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 might just be about the smallest dashcam on the market today. Roughly the size of a car key fob, the camera records in full HD resolution with HDR, is easy to set up, has an equally compact windscreen mount, and even features a voice control system. It's the perfect compact dashcam. Due to its size, there is no battery, but is powered by a micro USB cable and a 12-volt lighter socket adapter with a pair of USB sockets, so we could charge our phone while powering the dashcam. If you want high-quality Full HD video with HDR from an incredibly compact design, you really should look no further. We found that the voice controls are also very good. The mount is small and simple to use, and you can even pair up to 4 of these cameras together for synchronized recording right around your vehicle. Number 5. Garmin Dashcam 67W. This Garmin Dashcam 67W is a refresh of the 66W, our previous favorite model, now including new features like live view monitoring to check your car remotely and a parking guard feature to alert you to parking lot pranks. We think that the Garmin Dashcam 67W is a truly excellent dashcam that is compact and easy to use, with a good set of useful features, and records top-quality video. When we tested this dashcam, we loved the super simple installation and the intuitive voice control features. It isn't the cheapest dashcam that we have tested, but it is a top-notch one that does everything without being needlessly complicated. We even found the mounting system super simple. This dashcam is a must-buy and deserves the number 5 spot. I hope you like this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products that are available on the market so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.